The TTP226 8-way Capacitive Touch Sensor Module provides a versatile, button-free user interface with 8 touch-sensitive pads. Built on capacitive sensing technology, this module delivers a highly responsive touch experience, suitable for a diverse array of applications including home automation, interactive displays, and control systems. Utilizing capacitive sensing, the module has 8 individual touchpads. An onboard TTP226 IC processes the touch inputs. The change in capacitance caused by a touch on any pad is detected by the TTP226 IC. The IC then sends out a corresponding digital signal through its output pins, readable by microcontroller S. The TTP226 8-way Capacitive Touch Sensor Module detects touch without physical buttons and has 8 touch-sensitive channels. It generates digital signals upon touch and is widely used in interactive electronics and control systems for user-friendly touch interfaces with multiple inputs.